What is up, guys? It's Alicia, and I am showing you my dorm today at the University of Kansas. So this is our signs on the front door, and then we have a little front entryway. It's a little overview of what the room looks like. So to start out, we have a little place to hang our keys on the wall. And then I do share a room with a roommate, but this is what the floor, seating area, and our beds look like. So when you walk in, you can kind of see that we have things pretty tightly organized in here, but it works well. And so after giving a little overview of the room, I will start off with my side of the room. So this is my side. My bed is lofted, and I have a few things around the room, kind of neutral toned and warm tones, just the way I like to decorate it to make it a little bit more creative. Underneath my bed is my desk area, and then that's where I store all of the little random things I need on a day-to-day basis, like my makeup, jewelry, hair supplies, cosmetic things, and of course the things I need for school. Excuse my dirty computer. And then I also have a few framed decorations as well as some random little things that I keep on top of my microwave. Underneath the microwave is the set of drawers that came with the room, and then I have some extra storage. So I do have to climb up on my bed, which is a bummer, but that's what it looks like when you're up there. And then a little bit more of my desk. Next is our little kitchen area. So I have a Keurig that I brought, as well as a little basket where I keep my tea and coffee stuff. My roommate doesn't drink a lot of tea and coffee, but she does sometimes, so it's there for her as well. And then we also have this pretty large mini fridge, and we're lucky. We have a sink in our room. We do have communal bathrooms, but with the sink we decided to deck it out with some storage and hooks for our towels, as well as like a filter for the water and things like that. Next is the closet area. Unfortunately, our closets don't have doors or anything to cover them, so I just hung up some cheap little curtains from Walmart. I got some tension rods that were really inexpensive. They're like $5, and just added some curtains to cover up all this mess. It's somewhat small, but I mean it works and keeps all my stuff. So I have my medicine things, my sweatshirts, as well as my shower caddy up there. This is the opposite wall, so the one on my roommate's side. This is, like I said, just a cheap options. Room things are from Walmart and stuff like that. A mirror. This is the area that my roommate uses to organize her things and the things on her wall. I have this tapestry that actually used to be my younger sister's, but she gave it to me to take to college, and my roommate and I thought it would be a good addition. She decided not to loft her bed, so she doesn't have a desk, and so my roommate puts all of her things on the windowsill area. It's really nice, looks out into our common area. As you can see, it's been snowing. But then, yeah, that is what she has going on her side. I have a few more decorations on my side of the windowsill, as well as a basket for like electronic storage. This is my favorite little place to sit, and a little more overview of the room. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.